Good afternoon, children. Welcome to 7th class IIT Physics online classes. Okay, so what we are discussing? We are discussing trigonometry. We are doing the chapter trigonometry, is it? And what we discussed in the last class? We discussed reciprocal relations in trigonometry. Did you practice that? I hope you practiced. I gave you some sums also to do. I hope you tried that sum. I said before also you must do the sums. When you will do the sums, you will try the sums, you will get the doubt, and when you will see my videos, my classes, you can clarify your doubts. Okay, so you must do it first. Clear? So must try that. So in the last class we discussed reciprocal relations. Reciprocal relation means sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That is what reciprocal relations. Then after three identities we saw, we proved that three identities, is it? We considered one triangle, it's all three sides were given, and we proved three identities. What were that three identities? First one is sine square. For any measure of angle theta, any value you take, theta means if you take 30 degree or 60 degree or 45 degree, any angle you take, for any measure of angle theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, this one also we already proved yesterday. Clear? So today what we are going to do? Today first we will see the sums what yesterday given, because what sums I am giving you children, that are from the exercise. Okay, so exercise sums are there, you have to do. So yesterday what given homework, what two sums, that one only first we will see. Okay, so first question what I gave, see question number 1, first work what I have given. If angle A and angle B are acute angles, given that angle A and angle B are acute angles, such that cos angle A is equal to cos angle B. Here cos angle A is equal to cos angle B is given. You have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. So for this solution, we will take first right angle triangle. Compulsory you have to consider one right angle triangle. Here what is given? Angle A and angle B are acute angles. Angle A and angle B are acute angles given. So this is a right angle triangle. Here it is right angle. So if it is here right angle, here 90 degree, so these two are acute angles. Such now what is given? Cos angle A equal to cos angle B. This is given that cos angle A equal to cos angle B. So we have to first find the values of cos angle A and cos angle B. So before going to do that, you see the side opposite to right angle. What is the side opposite to right angle? We already know what is the side opposite to right angle is always hypotenuse, is it? So that is common, that will not change. Now what is your angle of reference? On that it depends which is perpendicular and which is base. So if you will consider angle A as angle of reference, then you have to here erase, is it? If your angle of reference is angle A, angle of reference is angle A, then the side opposite to angle of reference will be perpendicular, is it or not? The side which is opposite to angle of reference will be always perpendicular, and the side which is adjacent to angle of reference, that will be, yes, base. The side which is adjacent to angle of reference, that will be base. So this is base and this is perpendicular. Clear? So first cos angle A. Cos angle A. How much? Cos equal to what? Cos theta equal to B by H. Is it or not? Cos theta is equal to B by H. Then what is base? What is base? See, what is base? Base is AC. Base is AC. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB. Is it? Base is AC and hypotenuse is AB. So it became AC by AB. AC by AB. Okay, now this is your first equation. Next, cos angle B. Cos angle B. What is the cosine value if angle of reference is angle B? Is it no? Cos angle B means what? What is the value of cosine if your angle of reference is angle B? So here first case, what happened? First case, we consider angle A as angle of reference. Then we calculated cos angle A. But now we have to consider angle of reference angle B. If angle of reference is changing, what is changing? Position of perpendicular and base will change. Yes or no? Already I explained. What is the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, that will never change. Okay, that will leave. But according to angle of reference, your perpendicular and base. If angle of A is angle of reference, then perpendicular this one and base this one. But now angle of B, angle B is angle of reference. So we know that side opposite to angle B. Which is a side opposite to angle B? This side. This will be perpendicular. And the side which is adjacent to angle B, angle of reference adjacent side will be base. So you can see P and B, perpendicular and base position is exchanged. Why? Because angle of reference is changing. So now cos angle B means B by H. What is base? You see, what is base? Base is BC. Base is BC. And what is hypotenuse? That is AB. Your second equation. Here, this is a value of cosine when angle of reference is angle A. Given in the question. It is given already in the question that cos angle A is equal to cos angle B. Cos angle A is what? AC by AB. Cos angle B is what? BC by AB. So next what you will do? This AB you will shift here. So here AB division, that side multiplication. Cancel AB, what is left? BC. Therefore AC is equal to BC. What we got? AC equal to BC. These two sides are equal. Is it or not? This side and this side are equal. AC equal to BC. If AC is equal to BC, then angle A equal to angle B. So angle A is equal to angle B. What is the reason, children? Do you know? Whenever two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. These two sides are equal. So opposite to this side, which angle is there? Angle B. Opposite to this side, which angle is there? Angle A. So angle A and angle B also equal. Reason what you will write? Sides. As two sides are equal, so angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. If in a triangle two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides, these two sides are equal. Opposite to this angle is there, angle B, and opposite to this angle is there, angle A. So angle A and angle B also will be equal. Okay, so like this we proved angle A is equal to angle B. Clear? Not matter.
These two you have to
given that
evaluate.
okay, cos theta is equal to b by
first
y.
question
1 minus
you have to evaluate this
1
two.
plus
Okay.
sin
These
theta.
two you have to
Here
evaluate.
I will tell
minus
you
sin
so you
theta.
see
1 plus
first
sin
there is
question
one formula
into
first one is what
1
formula is
1
1
plus
sin
sin
theta
theta
a plus
into
b
1 minus
sin theta
into
1 plus
a
cos
minus
theta
b
by
into
a
1
plus b
minus
into
sin
a
theta
minus
is
b
there in
is
numerator.
equal
Okay.
to so
Denominator
a
what?
square here I will
minus
tell you
cos
children
theta.
see
Clear?
by
There is one formula.
this is an identity in algebraic expression. So a plus b here I will tell you children is equal to a square minus b square. This one we will use here. So see a plus b into a minus b
square
a plus
a
b
minus
a
b.
minus b. You consider this is an identity in algebraic expression. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b. This is an identity. This one we will use expression. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to so what is a is 1. Once this one we will use minus and see a plus b. So became a plus sin a minus b. Children see there is one formula. One formula is the one identity is there a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Clear? This is an identity in algebraic expression. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This one we will use here. So see a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. You consider 1 as a and sin theta is b. So it became a plus b and 1a sin theta b. A minus b, a plus b into a minus b equal to what? A square minus b square. So what is a? A is 1. 1 square, okay, minus sin theta is b. So b square, that is sin square theta. Sin theta whole square you can write, see, I'll write again clearly. 1 square sin theta whole square. Okay. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Same in denominator also you see a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 square minus b square. What is b here? Here b is cos theta. Clear children? So a square minus b square. 1 square will be 1. Sin theta whole square will be sin square theta. Sin square theta. Like that 1 square 1 minus cos theta whole square is cos square theta. Cos square theta. So we got what value? 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Now yesterday I explained you the identity. Remember, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is it or not? So that one we will use here in place of 1. What we will write? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, okay, minus sin square theta. Clear children? What we used here as sin square theta plus cos square place of 1 we used sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now you see something is cancelling. Plus sin square theta minus sin square theta cancelled. Plus cos square theta minus cos square theta cancelled. What is left? Cos square theta by sin square theta. Is it not? This much only left, cos square theta by sin square theta. So I can write cos theta by sin theta whole square. Is it or not? This is also cos square theta. This is also sin square theta. Both by sin theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. That is cot theta whole square. Is it or not? Tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Yesterday we proved this one also. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Yesterday we proved this one also. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Second and the next question is direct today what we are going to discuss cot square theta. Third question up to now we discussed the two cot square theta homework. Okay, so today this is the next question. Check whether 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a
Same value
or not. Okay, so here what is given? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. A is what? A is an angle. Okay, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, whether it is equal to cos square a minus sin square a or not. Okay, whether this value is equal to this much or not, we have to check. So solution, what is LHS? LHS left hand side, what is given? LHS 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now once again just remember what last class we discussed. The identities. First one sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second one sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So in place of 1 what we can write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Here what is theta? A. Sec square theta minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. A is what? A is an angle. Okay, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, whether it is equal to cos square a minus sin square a or not. Okay, whether this value is equal to this much or not, we have to check. So solution, what is LHS? LHS left hand side, what is given? LHS 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now once again just remember what last class we discussed. The identities. First one sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second one sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So in place of 1 what we can write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Here what is theta? A. Sec square theta minus tan square theta, okay, is equal to 1. That one place. Minus already tan square theta is there. Now you will, maybe you are thinking, what miss, somewhere 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta writing, somewhere sec square theta minus tan square theta writing. Reason is there, children. What is the reason? The identities with trigonometric identities we proved sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cos x square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. These are value we are having one value. Now where we will use according to question we have to use there. There what in the previous question, there what is there? Sin square theta cos square theta were there. So one place we used sin square theta plus cos square theta to cancel the terms. Here what is there? Tan square theta is there. That's why this one we will use for cancelling the terms. So again denominator also same. 1 in place of 1 what you will write? Sec square a minus 10 square a plus, already here what is given? Plus 10 square a. You can see minus 10 square a minus 10 square a plus 10 square a plus 10 square as it is written. Only sec square a minus 10 square a, sec square a minus 10 square a, place of 1 only written. Clear? Now can we cancel? First one, sec square a minus 10 square a minus 10 square a minus 2 10 square a, is it? By minus 10 square a plus 10 square a, cancel. These two are cancel. Minus 10 square a plus 10 square a, cancel. Minus 10 square a minus 10 square a, it's minus 2 10 square a. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, is it? So what is left in denominator? Sec square a left. Clear? Next what we will do? We separate. So sec square a by sec square a minus 2 10 square a by sec square a. What we did, sec square a minus 2 10 square a is there in numerator, by denominator is sec square a. So we separate it. We separate it. Sec square a by sec square a minus 2 10 square a by sec square a. When you will simplify, you will get back this one only. Okay. Yeah, when you will simplify this one, you will get back this. So sec square a cancel. What is 1 minus 2 10 square a. 10 square a, how can you write 10 square a? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So in place of 10 square a, I can write sin square a by cos square a into, what is this? 1 by sec square a. Okay, already sec square a is there. Equal to cos theta, already in the reciprocal relation, right? Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by sec theta equal to cos theta. Sin square a minus sin square a. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Is it what? 1 minus 2 minus 1. So what we got? Cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square we got RHS. LHS equal to RHS we got. It means this value is this. Okay, proved. Okay, so now children, see this one I did, you saw one time is not at all enough. Okay, you had to see this video minimum 3 to 4 times, then only you will understand. And writing minimum 5 to 6 times, same question you have to going on practice, then only you can do this type of sums. 1 or 2 times is not at all enough. Clear? So you have to again and again practice, see and practice. Clear? Like that sum I will give you again. So complete that worksheet. Thanks for watching.